Hi everyone, welcome back to the second example for the law of cosines. So we said we can use the law of cosines when we know the sides, the three sides of a triangle. So in other words, we have a side triangle. The other example is when we have a side angle side triangle. And so this is what we have. And if you look at it, we know a side and an angle and a side. And so the law of cosines talks about one angle and three sides. So in this case, we know an angle, we know the two sides that form that angle, so we can find the opposite side using the law of cosines. So here's the law of cosines. So a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine a. So we know angle A. And so we plug in the numbers, take the square root of both sides. A would be 15.1824 meters, inches, centimeters, yards, miles, whatever it is. Okay, so now we know angle A and the side opposite. So we could use the law of sines if you want, or you could use the law of cosines again if you want. I prefer the law of sines, so I'm going to set up the left side with the A's. And then if I look at the two other sides, I have 11 and 23. Well, 11 is smaller, and I like to find the smaller angles first. So let's find angle C. So I set up the right side of the law of sines with the C over the sine of angle C. And then I plugged in the numbers and took the inverse sine of both sides. And I got angle C is 23.9003 and so on degrees. And so I have everything filled in except for angle B. And so angle B would be 180 degrees minus angle A minus angle C, which is 122.0997 blah 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 degrees. So there we have it. There's two examples. Now what I would like you to do next is take a look at example 3 or problem 3, which says solve the triangle where A is 310, B is 250, and C is equal to 275. If you notice, we know all three sides. And so we have a side triangle, which is perfect for the law of cosines. So why don't you take a couple minutes, try this problem, and then click on the next video.